Hey everyone, welcome back to Notsofast, where I show you how to fix your car, save money, and learn real mechanic skills at your own pace. Let's be honest, trucks today are getting ridiculous. Touchscreens everywhere, a computer for every light bulb, and a monthly payment that could buy you a small house. Meanwhile, the old 2010 Ford F-150 just sits there, waiting, ready to work, ready to be fixed by someone with a socket set and a little backbone. This isn't about nostalgia, it's about practicality. I'm going to show you why buying a used truck, especially this 2010 Super Crew F-150 with a 5.5-foot bed, still makes sense today. We'll talk about what makes older trucks a smarter buy, why this model year hits a sweet spot, and why the engine under this hood might be the last of its kind. Let's get into it. First off, new doesn't always mean better. It means expensive. A new F-150 can easily hit 70 grand before taxes. This 2010, you can find clean ones for under 10. That's 60 grand you keep in your pocket. And here's the kicker. It's already done depreciating. You could drive this thing 5 years and still sell it for nearly what you paid. Try that with a new truck. You lose value before you leave the dealership. Insurance cheaper, registration cheaper, even your stress levels cheaper. And when something breaks, you don't need a dealership appointment or a software patch. You grab your tools and fix it yourself. That's freedom. That's why I tell people owning an older truck isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. You open this hood and what you see is space. You can reach everything. Alternator, coils, belts, it's all right there. Compare that to new trucks where you need tiny hands and an engineering degree just to change a spark plug. This F-150 is mechanical, not digital. You turn a wrench, not a touchscreen. And that's something the new generation of trucks forgot. The joy of being able to fix your own machine. Now let's talk about this setup. The 2010 Super Crew with the short bed. It's the perfect combo. 4 full-size doors for family or friends, and a 5.5-foot bed that still hauls lumber, bikes, you name it. It fits in most garages, it's easy to park, and it doesn't feel like you're driving a boat. Inside, the cabin is tough but comfortable. Big back seats, wide doors, and a layout that feels like a truck, not a spaceship. This generation was when Ford finally nailed the ride comfort. It's solid on the highway, and quiet enough that you can actually hear yourself think. And here's something worth noting. This body's all steel, not aluminum like the newer ones. If you ever get a dent, you can fix it in your driveway. Try doing that on a 2025 model with paper-thin panels. And because it's an F-150, parts are everywhere. You can rebuild half this truck from a junkyard or order everything online. That's not just convenience, that's longevity. Alright, this is my favorite part, the engine. The 2010 offered the 4.6 and 5.4 Triton V8s, and yeah, they're old school, but that's exactly what makes them great. No turbos, no direct injection, no $3,000 repair bills, just a solid V8 that breathes naturally and pulls steady. It runs on regular 87 octane, not premium. It doesn't care if you're towing, hauling, or just cruising. It delivers torque the old-fashioned way, instantly. Pop the hood of a new F-150 EcoBoost, and it's like opening a laptop. Sensors, turbo lines, plastic everywhere. Sure, it makes more power, but try working on it yourself. The Triton, mechanics have been servicing these things for 20 years. They know every bolt, every trick, every sound. That means parts are cheap and fixes are simple. And because it's port injected, there's no carbon buildup like you get in newer engines. You don't need fancy cleaners or $500 services. You just drive it, change the oil, and keep it happy. And don't even get me started on the sound. That deep, natural V8 rumble. It's honest. No fake noise, pumped through speakers, no trick software, just metal, air, and fuel doing what they were meant to do. You hear it, you feel it, and you trust it. These engines go 300,000 miles and beyond when you take care of them. Oil, filters, and timing maintenance, that's it. Meanwhile, newer trucks start having turbo problems, timing chain noise, and software gremlins before they even hit 200K. Simplicity wins the long game every time. So yeah, you can keep chasing new tech or you can drive something real. This 2010 F-150 isn't flashy, but it's solid, honest, and built to be worked on, not worshipped. It's one of the last trucks that lets you feel connected to the road, to the machine, and to the satisfaction of fixing it yourself. Because fast is good, but not so fast is smarter.